Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best spark plug sockets on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Gearwrench 6-point magnetic swivel spark plug socket. This socket is for 5 by 8 inch plugs and a 3 by 8 inch ratchet drive. An entry angle is said to guide it home more easily and has serrations the depth of the fastener. Large hard stamped, not etched, sizing identification marks should be visible even to us old guys with failing eyesight. A knurled grip on the extension shaft provides workers with a non-slip surface for low torque applications. The interior magnet inside of the socket retains and protects the spark plug for easier installation and is said to not wear out over time like a traditional rubber gasket. Pros: basic, effective, affordable. Cons: some cars will need another extension. Number 2. Our second best pick is Aries 5-piece high-visibility spark plug socket set. Unsure of your whip spark plug sizing or simply work on a variety of different cars? Picking up a 5-piece set might be a good idea. This unit has a couple of metric sockets along with 3 in freedom units. The sizes are both etched and hammered into the socket walls. This spark plug socket set includes 5 by 8 inch, 3 by 4 inch, 13 by 16 inch, 14 mm, and 18 mm sizes plus a handy storage rail. The rubber retaining ring ensures plugs stay on the socket and the tapered 6-point socket ends grip the flat sides of the fastener head, not corners, to prevent round off. Pros: sizes for nearly every engine. Cons: your moron buddies will borrow them. Number 3. Our third best pick is Aries 5-piece magnetic swivel spark plug socket set. Building on the set listed 2 entries above, this 5-piece set has a series of extensions to assist mechanics and DIYers intending to tackle multiple jobs on multiple cars. Note there are fewer socket sizes in this kit, 3, not 5, but the varying extension lengths are very handy. Each spark plug socket has 360-degree swivel action for maximum flexibility, while the 5 sizes give you the extra reach you need for tight spots on a wide variety of applications. The socket's interior magnets retain and protect the spark plug for easier installation. Pros: plenty of lengths, a trio of sizes, dandy case. Cons: not everyone likes swivels. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Craftsman 5 by 8 inch spark plug socket. No extensions, no swivels, no problem. This is just a basic spark plug socket which is all a person needs in some instances. After all, most of us probably have enough extensions kicking around the garage already without adding more by way of an all-inclusive set. We've waxed about the Craftsman brand before, but, for those still wary thanks to the disappearance of Sears department stores, be assured the tool brand stands on its own without interference from a meddling bricks and mortar overlord. Pros: no extra parts. Cons: useless for jobs with 3 by 4 inch plugs. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Lexivon Swivel Magnetic Spark Plug Socket. This is a 5 by 8 inch spark plug socket sitting on the end of an extension making for 10 inches of total stretch. A smooth 360-degree ball swivel means one should be able to reach into wretchedly tight engine bays like that of a 1995 Aerostar. A fully polished and chrome-plated mirror finish is said to resist corrosion and is easy to clean. You do wipe your sockets off before firing them back in the toolbox, right? A knurled shaft prevents slipping, though it doesn't run the length, and its size is laser etched into the socket. Pros: useful knurling and swiveling. Cons: Way too much temptation to double entendre while writing that description. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.